Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a little tips and tricks for people that download images from Google Image. If you've been downloading images from Google Image, one of the things that you've been noticing probably is that they changed the way that it happens. Before, you could just have the image open up on its own, and then you could use a right click on your image and save the image to your computer. It was kind of easy to do, and it was really fun to have it like that because you could actually see it full size. The problem is a lot of people complain about the copyright aspect of the images. A lot of companies are saying, well, our images are copyrighted, and I don't like the fact that you can easily do that. So Google kind of wanted to make them a little happier, so they decided that when you search for an image, so for example here, let's look at moon. Well, here you have the moon, and before you would click on an image and it would actually show up here and you could actually view the image. Now the problem is, if you want to view the image, it brings you to the website where this image was taken from, because a lot of these images come from actual websites. A lot of these images have copyright. So people are saying, oh, well, this is complicated now. Well, you know what? Not at all, because there's one little loophole that they left that we still are able to do. And it's simply that when you are on this page, so let's go back here. I search for the moon. I want to have this picture of the moon and the plane, for example. I click on it. It opens up this little page showing you that image. It gives you on the bottom the size of that image. For example, here 750 by 563. You know what? The trick is that you can actually right click right here on that image and save picture as. And if you do so, and let's put it on the desktop, for example here, you can save it. And it actually saves the 750 by 563 sized image. So now if I click here, that image is actually here and it's on the proper size that it was. So it's on my desktop. So if you like to download images, for example, for your wallpaper in Windows or on your Mac or whatever, or if you just like to have a collection of images, of beautiful images, well, now you actually can still continue doing it. It still works. It's just that it's a little different than it was before. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.